In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a workspace for your team in Notion. 5 minutes. First, open Notion on the web or desktop and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the workspace where your team will collaborate so everything lands in the right place. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the sidebar and open Settings. The gear icon takes you to the controls that shape how your workspace is organized. Inside Settings, find the Team Spaces section. This is where dedicated areas for departments, projects, or groups live. Team Spaces keep pages, databases, and discussions grouped together so your team can find what they need without digging through unrelated content. Click New Team Space. You're creating a focused home for a team's work, so think of it like a shared command center. Give your team space a clear, memorable name. Short and descriptive works best, something like marketing, product, or client success, so people immediately understand what belongs there and where to put new content. If it helps, add a brief description. A sentence or two can set expectations, outline the purpose, or link to any working norms. This extra context reduces confusion for new members and keeps your structure consistent as your workspace grows. Next, click Create Team Space. Notion will set up the space instantly. You may see a quick onboarding view, which is just a helpful starting point. From here, you can invite teammates into the team space, add the people who need to collaborate, and they'll get immediate access to everything inside. If you're not ready to invite folks just yet, maybe you want to organize the basics first, choose skip for now. You can always add members later once the structure is in place. Finally, close the setup window to start building your team space. You'll land on the team space home, where you can create pages for meeting notes, roadmaps, documentation, and task databases. A simple way to begin is to add a home page that links to your most important pages, then create subpages for recurring workflows. Keep names consistent and use templates if you want to standardize how your team captures information. That's it. You've built a team space in Notion. You logged in, opened settings, went to team spaces, created a new one, named it, added a description, finalized creation, chose whether to invite members, and closed the window to begin. With that foundation in place, your team has a clear, shared place to work, stay aligned, and move faster.